Hi guys, Harrison here from Oz Powerbanks. Here with our highest capacity flight safe power bank. Brand new, it's 87 watt USB-C PD. This is what you get it in. It's 26,800 milliamps, which is the highest sort of milliamp rating you can get and still being under that 100 watt mark. It comes in at 99.16 watts. And USB-C, like I said, so I'll get it out. So you do get a little user manual with it. Just there. Now here's a power bank. Really nice quality. All aircraft grade aluminium covering sort of thing. Got your three outputs, sorry, on the front. Try to focus that in. So you got two USBs, the USB-C input and output. So you charge it and recharge the power bank through that same port, and obviously your power button. And when you click that, you'll see right now there's three little LEDs on, but that goes up to 4, showing it's fully charged. So it's at 75% or a little bit under at the moment. What also comes with it is a high output USB-C cord. So we've got these included for you, so don't have to worry about providing your own USB-C cord. We've got this really nice USB-C cord. As I said, it's 87 watts, this PD, so you can only reach that through this cord. It's a high capacity USB-C cord, and that 87 watts is only going to be able to reach through here. Otherwise you'll get probably around that 60 watt mark, which is still more than enough power to charge those bigger laptops and a lot of other devices. But yeah, this USB-C cord is really nice for all those USB-C laptops, all those USB-C devices like your Nintendo Switches, your MacBooks, all those new laptops, obviously, like I was saying. But this is pretty much all you'd need to carry around for a lot of those devices. So like I said, that's 87 watt out of the PD. You can recharge it up to 45 watts. Charges through USB-C, so if you do already have a USB-C cord, you can use that. Alternatively, we do have these separate. They're really nice. It's a 45 watt PD wall charger. That is the max it's going to be able to take as an input into this power bank. And yeah, really good quality. Recharger, they can just be purchased separately if you don't have one already. But yeah, I mean, it's going to charge it up really quick, probably about 3-4 hours, if not a little bit quicker, just being super high output. And obviously you'll be able to carry that around to recharge your MacBooks and other devices as well, so that'd be all you would need. It does have two USB outputs on there as well, both multi-voltage high output USBs, so you can literally charge any USB device off it, from torches to your iPads to your iPhones, or to just any phone, any tablet, cameras. Yeah, it's going to be able to do a lot, drones. So really nice. It's just really excellent quality, this whole power bank. Like I said, 99.16 watts, so just underneath that important 100 watt mark to go travel on a plane. You won't have to declare it, you can just put it in your bag and you're ready to go everywhere. I don't know if you can see, I do have a lot of laptops in front of me, so I'll get to all that now. We've got a lot of different kits that you can kind of add on to this already complete power bank, depending on what you kind of run in your technology space. So probably the biggest one that we've just got in is this kit. So this is our DC kit. Comes with 28 DC barrel jack connectors that can just do just about every popular laptop. So from your HPs, your Dells, your Lenovo's, your Asus, your Asus, many more, your Toshiba. So like here, we've got an older Toshiba. So on top of the 28 connectors that you get, we've got all the tip sizes as well, so if you're unsure, you can just go straight to the page, have a look at your tip size. I'm sure we've got the right one to fit your needs. But the most important cord for this set is this one. So this is a USB-C to DC, and that is going at 19 volts, which a lot of these older laptops will charge at, including a lot of your old MacBooks as well, but I'll get to those a bit later. But yeah, it is as simple as a plug and play. So all you have to do, choose the right tip size. So Toshiba, put it on the end, plug your USB-C port end straight in. The power bank will come on instantly, and then just plug the other end straight in, and that is charging away. Indicator charging there. It might be a little too small for you to see any light. Not too sure, but that's going to charge away. Being that it can do 19 volts, it's going to do up to about 60 watts. It's going to be able to charge a lot of those sort of bigger ones. Anything under that 85 watt mark, this power bank's going to be able to do on that USB-C cord. 87 watts, sorry. And yeah, so a lot of like bigger laptops, even some of your gaming laptops, not the massive ones, but yes, some of them that take that lower wattage, you'll be able to do. But yeah, so that's just going to charge up. Once it's full, the power bank will switch off, realize it's full. And yeah, I mean, it is simple as that. You can turn the power bank off just by holding down the power button, and that power bank will just switch straight off. Otherwise, yeah, it'll just switch off when it's full, or you can unplug it. But yeah, this is probably one of the cords I'm most excited about, just because it can do so many different laptops. Yeah, the possibilities are really endless with this thing. There's a big portion here that's still, we've got a lot of those different laptops that takes the barrel jack, and there hasn't been a really good flight safe power bank for that purpose. But now with this kit, I mean, realistically, all you would need is just to take your tip. You got your power bank, got your cord for your laptop, recharging cord, power brick to recharge your power bank, and that's it, and your laptop. So then you're good to go, travel wherever, yeah, be wherever, and you got heaps of power in this. Like I said, 26,800 milliamps is more than enough for the majority of laptops to recharge a minimum one time. Couple other options that we provide also, which are like really handy, are for two different types of MacBooks. So we've got the MagSafe 1 and MagSafe Gen 2 connections. You're probably familiar with the look of them more than the name. But this is your MagSafe Gen 1. So I focus that in. Doesn't want to focus. There we go. And then this is the shape of your MagSafe Gen 2. Pretty iconic with a lot of the MacBook Airs like I've got here. But what is most exciting about this, it can do the 15 inches, 13 inches, the really high output MacBooks. This power bank can do it. Like right here, I have got a 17-inch MacBook with a MagSafe 1 adapter. It takes a lot of power to run this laptop, and this power bank just does it with ease. So plug it in, straight in, light comes on, then switches to orange to indicate it's charging, and yeah, it's charging away. So try to get that close to you. See that? Not too sure how well that showed up, but yeah, these cords are really nice too. They're about 1 meter long, so you can have your power bank wherever. And yeah, again, for these older laptops, this would be all you need to recharge and be anywhere fully off the grid, away from a power source. And again, that'll just switch off when it's full, or obviously unplug it. And then with your MagSafe 2, Same thing, plug it straight in and straight into the laptop, go green, and then it'll change to orange when it's charging. I mean, it's so simple to use these. They're plug and play, there's no fiddling about or doing anything like that. They're really, really nice and super convenient size. They're tiny but pack a lot of power into it. Moving on to though, the last one I'll show you that we've got sort of a nice kit for is all those Surface Pros out there. So this is one of the earlier Surface Pros. The cord we've got for it is that little spade sort of connection, the regular Surface Pro connection to USB-C obviously, and this one is 15 volts, so it's going to do all those newer ones from your 5, 6, 7s Surface Pros, but it is also backwards compatible, which is great. So it can do the lower one, so you can do the Gen 1, the Gen 2, Gen 3, Gen 4 Surface Pro, like it can actually do it all. It's really, really nice. And again, as simple as plugging it in, lights come on to indicate it's working, and wherever the connection is, the light's just going to come on at the end of this tip when to show it's indicating it's charging. When you take it out, the light will switch off, and then straight back in, light comes on. And yeah, again, it is as simple as that. So the amount of laptops you can charge with just this one unit with all our add-ons, yeah, it is really, really phenomenal. So I mean, if you've got one of those older ones and you just want one laptop charger, power bank to do it all, this 87 watt is perfect. Grab a couple extras of the wall chargers and you pretty much got your only charger you'll ever need, especially if you're going to upgrade. This one can handle all the newer laptops as well, so that's a real positive with getting this over maybe a couple others. If you are going to upgrade in the future, if you've got an older sort of Toshiba old MacBook, and you might be thinking about doing it maybe next year, a couple of years time, you know that this power bank is going to be able to recharge that as well. And yeah, it's really, really nice to see. But I'll drop a couple of links to sort of all of these kits we've got available again, and just to this product as well. But yeah, definitely highly recommend getting this. If you can take it anywhere, it is really fantastic, and yeah, pretty much charge every device off it. So go have a look at it. It's a really, really nice product, so well made, and that's the 87 watt PD.